Welcome to jobskillshare.org. Today I am announcing a new feature. Most of you know about Hot Seat. This is a pretty hot feature. What is Hot Seat? And this basically when someone come to our platform or they study courses or they feel like, am I ready for the job? They tell us that take an interview from me. And this is a technical interview. Everything is technical. And this is for people also when they have finished A+ certifications or other things like, study or courses, and they may not feel like going through some other courses. They just want to get tested first. That's for that as well. So now, what about the people that don't want to go live on YouTube or maybe they don't have the ability to schedule because it does require a lot of scheduling, and someone want to just quickly test their skills? What can we do for that? This is where we are now introducing Hot Labs. What is Hot Labs and how are we actually using Hot Labs? You see now batch 1, we're saying that about 6 people have been employed out of, I believe, 13, 14 people. I forgot the numbers, but it may not be true. It may be 5 or 6. But this is the batch 1 that we have used our systems. And I'll show you that in a second. So when they come over here and they want to learn internship, how do we give them practical skills? They're actually going in there and they're opening up systems from their web browsers and they're learning everything practically. So this has been started 2 months ago. And of course, a lot of people have loved it, and that's where the hands-on features are. Then batch 2 started, batch 2 almost finished, and they use the same labs. And now batch 3 is going to get started. So it's already been used and been tested, and people are loving these features. So now what we want to do over here, we're basically adding Hot Labs in our community. This is a Discord community, so you have to be a part of this community to enjoy these features. Now, how does this feature work? It's very simple. We give you a document which will have multiple tickets. For example, a document in front of you have about 6 tickets. And then you will have a link for server in a client. So basically, we will give you the machines that will be needed for those tickets. So this server is a domain controller. So let's go ahead and open this. When you click on the link, it is very simple. You're basically going to our server and you're just going to click connect. And now you're inside the server. So it can be multiple machines because of the project can say, okay, you need to log in as a client, and then you will click on another link, and now you will have 2 tabs like that, right? So you can actually go to one machine, second machine, third machine, depending on the project. But the main reason why it's called hot, because of these people watching you. You see, there are 2 people watching. It could be 30 people, 40 people, 15 people, and that is what makes it so real, because in reality people are watching you, people are waiting on you, and it just gives you that real feeling. And also the project is real too. It's a ticket, so you have to actually do it, perform it, and then people can watch it, talk about it. So that's what makes this feature very good, because of the hot seat features. Interns are doing the same thing. They're watching each other, community is watching them sometimes. So it's a very powerful feature, and of course it's going to be free. But at the same time, you need to be a part of the community. You have to come to the community and you need to watch what's going on. And when the project is available, you can just capture it quickly, say that I need this project and get on it, because this is not going to be available for every single member. It's going to be basically per day kind of thing, because we don't have that kind of resource. So when you come over here, you will see this. Now in future, we may even open this up for like practice for 1 hour Active Directory lab or something like that. We will see how this goes. But this is another feature. We're trying our best to give people an ability to learn quickly, but at the same time, we want to tell people that learning skills is not something you can do in 1 or 2 labs. That's why we have built a whole platform for you, so then you can invest that time so you can learn things correctly. And those are fundamental courses, Active Directory, Office 365, so many different courses in our platform. So you have to be in part of this community to enjoy all that stuff in a nice way. But these features will help you boost your motivation, and then you will talk to people. It's lively and it gives you more skills very quickly. So come on in, join this community, and then let's start this one too, because now in this one you don't have to be on YouTube. You're not on the camera, all that kind of stuff. So you can actually practice things over here before you go to the hot seat. And that is just another great feature. I believe it's going to be pretty good. So I'll see you in this community. Take care.